Artificial intelligence, the buzzword of the century, the future of technology, and the ultimate savior of mankind. But hold your horses. Let's take a moment to acknowledge that even AI has limitations. Surprised? Well, brace yourself as we uncover the things that AI cannot do, showcasing its inability to understand human emotions, engage in creative thinking and imagination, comprehend the contextual understanding and common sense, express empathy and emotional intelligence, make moral and ethical decisions, and possess intuition or gut feeling. It's surprising, isn't it? Stick around to uncover more. The limitations of artificial intelligence. AI is the hero of the modern world. With its impressive algorithms and analytical prowess, it seems like there's nothing AI can't do, right? Well, not so fast. While AI has made significant advancements in recent years, there are still some limitations that it just can't seem to overcome. Let's dive into the intriguing world of AI limitations. Understanding human emotions. Emotions are those pesky little things that make us human. Understanding emotions is crucial in any personal or professional interaction. But sadly, AI falls short in this department. Sure, it can analyze data and predict behaviors based on patterns, but can it truly grasp the complex emotions that humans experience? Not quite. Sorry, AI, but you still have a lot to learn about human emotions. Maybe one day you'll crack the code, but until then, we'll keep our tissues handy for those tear-jerking movies. Creative thinking and imagination. Creativity is the foundation of human innovation. While AI can crunch numbers and analyze data like nobody's business, it struggles when it comes to thinking outside the box. You see, creativity requires imagination and the ability to make connections that go beyond logic. Unfortunately, AI just hasn't learned the art of daydreaming or thinking beyond the confines of its algorithms. So, if you're looking for a groundbreaking Picasso or a mind-bending Shakespearean play, you might want to stick with us humans for now. Contextual understanding and common sense. Context. The secret ingredient that adds flavor to our conversations. AI might be great at understanding words and phrases, but when it comes to grasping the nuances of context, it falls short. Sure, it can recite facts and figures, but can it navigate the murky waters of sarcasm, irony, or even a simple joke? Not quite. It's like asking a goldfish to swim on land. It's just not in their programming. So, until AI masters the art of understanding context, let's keep it as our sidekick and not our main confidant. Empathy and emotional intelligence. Empathy is that warm and fuzzy feeling that makes us human. It's what drives us to care for others and understand their struggles. Unfortunately, AI is a bit lacking in this department. It might be able to analyze data and make logical decisions, but can it truly empathize with someone's pain or joy? Nah, not really. Empathy requires that personal touch, that connection with another human being on an emotional level. So even though AI can impress us with its knowledge, it still has a long way to go when it comes to emotional intelligence. Creative thinking and imagination. Creativity is the bedrock of human innovation. While AI can effortlessly crunch numbers and analyze data, it falters when it comes to thinking outside the box. You see, creativity demands imagination and the knack for making connections that transcend logic. Regrettably, AI hasn't quite mastered the art of daydreaming or thinking beyond the boundaries of its algorithms. So, if you're in search of a groundbreaking Picasso or a mind-bending Shakespearean play, it's best to stick with us humans for now. We've got the creative juices flowing. Morality and ethical decision-making. Morality is the guiding force behind our choices and actions. When faced with moral dilemmas, AI tends to get a little flustered. You see, morality is a subjective concept, influenced by cultural, social, and personal values. Unfortunately, AI lacks these values and often relies on algorithms that may not align with our own moral compass. So, while AI can crunch numbers and calculate probabilities, we're not quite ready to trust it with complex ethical decisions. Sorry, AI, but you'll have to sit this one out. Intuition and gut feeling. Intuition is that mysterious whisper that guides us when logic falls short. AI may be a logical genius, but it still struggles with that gut feeling we humans heavily rely on. Intuition is that little voice that tells us to go left instead of right, or that something feels off. It's that sixth sense that helps us make decisions when evidence is scarce. Unfortunately, AI can't tap into this inexplicable power of intuition. So until AI develops a gut and masters the art of intuition, we'll continue to trust our own instincts. Even though AI has made impressive progress, it still struggles with certain limitations. Understanding human emotions, creative thinking, contextual understanding, empathy, morality, and intuition are areas where AI struggles to match us humans. So as we witness the rise of AI, let's not forget the unique qualities that make us human. After all, who wants a world filled with robotic, emotionless beings? Let's cherish our quirks, our flaws, and our outstanding ability to belt out a tune in the shower. Keep being you, humans.